Hey guys, it's Lissette here. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be focusing on my hair. You guys, I recorded this video so long ago, and if you don't believe me, just look at my nails and that will tell you how long ago I recorded this. If you guys did not know, I recently just announced my pregnancy. I am so excited, you guys, but this pregnancy has been kicking my butt. Even in the last video, I didn't even mention it because I have recorded that video before even announcing, and then yeah, it's just timeline wise, yeah, it wasn't working in my favor. But anyway, we'll get back to that later. The first video of me doing my hair was with the red dye, which was the high color magenta color, if I'm not mistaken. You can see it's really faded, and when I first originally did that first initial red hair video, you guys know my opinion. I wanted it like a darker red. So now that the fact that it's all faded out and it's like it's almost like mixed in with like a orangey red tone, because I can also, like, looking at the video here, I didn't even notice it at the time, I see some yellow spots. It is super faded, you guys. But anyway, at this point, I think I already had it in my hair for a month, and I think I washed it probably, like, I want to say max 2 times a week. I like to straighten my hair a lot, and I like to go see how far I could go with it being straight. So yeah, I don't wash my hair as often when I probably should, but when I do wash it, I try to keep it in like a warmer, cooler water temperature. But anyway, this is what it is looking like, so we is going to try to fix it. And yeah, so I'm actually not gonna go in and dye my roots. I'm actually gonna save that for the next video, but for this video, I'm gonna use the Cara Color Color Plus Conditioner in red. I shown this in the other video, so we're finally gonna put this to use and see how it works. Now, when you flip it over, it does give you the directions, but there is also like a second flap where you can peel it back, and it goes like more into detail and depth on what you need to do. They do suggest applying this with wet hair. I honestly didn't even do that. I kind of just like went in dry and then, you know, just like try to soak up as much as I could. And for this, I think I used like half the bottle of this. So yeah, I made sure to really saturate my hair. Now for this, you could definitely go in the shower and just apply it in the shower. But for the sake of the video, I didn't want to take y'all in my bathroom. So I'm gonna just do it right here on my little chair in studio and show you how it looks. The red is red, you guys. I was kind of scared when I first initially pumped it, because I really wanted like a darker red, and I'm hoping the next time I do my hair, I'm gonna achieve it. I don't achieve it in this video, I'm telling you right now. This smells amazing, but like I said, the red is red. And honestly, I feel like I should have did more research, because they did have other colors. Like they had like this plum color, they had a burgundy, which probably would have worked out better and maybe, you know, made it darker for, you know, like the color that I was trying to go for. But yeah, I just went in with this one. So reading the directions in the back of this color conditioner, they do suggest you doing it dry, they do advise you to apply it wet and then leave it on for 3 to 20 minutes. And since this is just a, what do you call that, like a color deposit, I ended up just leaving it on. I think I left it on for like 30 minutes, to be honest, maybe long. I wasn't really timing myself, I was watching videos, but I left it in. I definitely left it in longer because I wanted to make sure the color was gonna stick, and I was kind of hoping that the color would kind of turn out darker. It didn't, you guys, but anyway, it works. It does work, but it's just not the color that I was trying to go for. So this is me here again, just applying it and just trying to make sure I get everything. And the reason why I didn't go in and just dye my roots is because I felt like I could go a little bit longer. And also, since I am preggo, I did want to confirm that I could even do my roots with the hair dye. So I spoke to them. They said everything is safe. If like I was to try to go in and bleach it, that's a lot more harmful than, you know, regular hair dye. So as long as I'm not leaving it on for like a whole freaking hour, which I really don't plan on, I should be good to go. So we're all safe in that area. So definitely in the next hair video, I will show you how I do my roots. I did end up purchasing new products for it, which I'm actually excited about. And I'm hoping finally I will be able to achieve the color that I really wanted. Tell me it don't look a little bit like an orangey red color. I was so scared. But anyway, I ended up leaving it on for 30 minutes. I washed it out. I didn't use any kind of shampoo. I just rinsed it out, and then I did do a little bit of what do you call that, conditioner. Look at how it looks. Doesn't it look orange? So I wasn't freaking out as much. I was like, maybe it's just like, I already know how it works. Like once it's dry, it looks a lot different, but it looks so freaking orange here. So I do go in and just start blowing it out, trying to, you know, dry it and hope it turns a little bit darker. And of course, Mr. Teddy, my lovely golden retriever, had to interrupt and jump on me. He always loves some attention, especially when I am super busy. But again, once I finished drying, and that's another thing that I didn't have that I need. I really needed to invest in a, what do you call that? Like a heat protectant like before. I had just ran out, so I was kind of annoyed that I ran out of my heat protective spray. So that's another thing that I ordered. But this is what it's looking like when it's dry. It's a little less orangey, but it still looks kind of orangey. So I just kept rolling with it. The conditioner did state if you do like multiple times of this color that it would get darker. I don't know how, because that color looks so freaking like a reddish orangey color. I don't even know if I want to go through with testing it, to be honest. Once I did dry it, make sure I like stretch it out as much as I could with the blower. I did go in with my flat iron and just straighten it and just curl the ends a little bit. I am in desperate need of a trim, so that will come soon as well. And I don't know if I want to go to the salon for that or just try to attempt to do it myself. Let me know, because you know, hair grows, and me being pregnant, my hair is growing actually a lot faster, which is kind of cool but annoying at the same time, because then I don't really want to keep dyeing my roots. I don't know. You guys, we don't even know if the baby is a boy or a girl, but I am so excited. I need some gender reveal nail ideas, you guys. Let me know. I need some ideas because I'm drawing a blank. I don't know if I should just do some simple Frenchies, call it a day, or just go all out. And I don't know. I kind of feel like saving the crazy nails for my baby shower. I don't know. You guys let me know. I need some help. Tell me. Tell me. All right, you guys, so this is what it is looking like. It is definitely a lot redder. I'm going to try to compare before, when I first dyed it. I hope I could get that clip. When I first dyed it and compared it to what it looks like now. It is a pretty red. It is definitely a pretty red. It is a bright red though, and this is not the red that I was going for, but it is a pretty red. I'm not too mad at it, but I am a little bit annoyed because now I'm gonna have to, you know, even though I already bought everything, like different stuff for it, I'm gonna have to try out something different and hope it works, because I really don't want to go to the salon. I just want to figure it out on my own, you know. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know what I should do for the next. I actually already have an idea for the next video, but as far as like the design itself, let me know, because I need some gender reveal nail ideas. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe if you want to see the next part of this hair video. That's actually gonna come next month, because I still have to wait for this hair to grow out so I could officially do my roots. Subscribe, let me know what you guys think, like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya.